Hey guys, welcome to Stock Sniper Trading. It's your boy Ronnie, and we're back at New York Stock Exchange. This is the equities market open. So welcome everybody. We finished. We did a session in London last night, and it went amazing. So let's get into it, guys. Welcome everybody. Gold is starting to break out right now, guys. So um, this was our supply zone last night, and now price is breaking above it. So just right now, 8:30 starting. Okay, so we're gonna watch how this candle is gonna close. If the volume is gonna close above here, and maybe we can see if gold is gonna be bullish above here. Okay, we haven't broke above here yet since it's been a while. So welcome everybody. Pablo, what's up, bro? Mark, what's going on? Fatima, how are you? Effie, Shooting Star, Jeff, Connor, what's up, baby? Let's get into this, guys. So this was from last night, guys. This was London session. We waited patiently for the break right there. They tried to do a false signal, false pullback right up there. Then when it started hammering down, I myself got into a sell here, and a lot of the snipers and everybody on the YouTube got into a sell, and we pushed this thing. It came all the way down to 1781. So it was a 50-55 pip drop, and we waited for that, and we got it. So that was last night, and then I went to sleep for a little bit, and it consolidated, came through the bottom, just broke a little bit, came back up. So you see that it got rejected again up here, scaled back to the 200-day. This yellow line is the 200-day EMA. So we came right now. They just a liquidity grab. They brought it down here, and then they brought it right back up. Now it's starting to break, but the volume is not up there yet. So we gotta wait for the volume to get up there, and then guys, then we're gonna look for a buy opportunity up here if we get volume to cooperate with us on a few candle bars. Okay, so this was a supply zone from London session, and you can see it's a supply zone in New York, and it's a supply zone in the equities market right now. So what we're watching for is volume to get above there, and so we can close and see if we can close above there and make this a new demand zone. Okay, so we'll look for a buy up there around 1786.27 area. Okay, I can take this across with me right there. And also it's getting rejected, so we're not taking a buy until we see volume up there. And then what we could be looking for also is a scale back down to the supply zone, back down to demand, back down to demand down here. Okay, so to short gold, I'm looking to short it under here. Okay, right under this level. Down here, we're looking to short it and possibly bring it back down to this zone again. Okay, so and then this area is going to be a no trade area. Okay, no trade area. And welcome everybody. It's Friday morning, guys. We welcome you. We're gonna end the week strong, guys. We had a very profitable week. Trading live, trade ideas, recaps, everything that we sent to the snipers. It's been a good week, so we're happy about that. Okay, so we got about 4 minutes left on this candle. It's 8:36 a.m. Okay, so we had our first 8:30 candle right here. It came up and then came back down, closed with volume right here. So this is now our next candle coming up, but let's see if the volume can close up in this area. We haven't had volume close up here all night since when we started London over here. Okay, so you can see how important it is that we get volume to close above here. Good morning everybody, welcome. Blur, what's going on? FX Cartel, what's up? Durban, South Africa in the house. Okay, and also over here, guys, the calendar right here. So this was all the news this morning. Okay, so not much. There's not much volatility for the US dollar. All we have is some Canadian core retail sales. Um, Previous was minus 1.47. Um, Forecast was 4 point. So we did good for Canadian sales, and then we got retail sales, which retail sales are low. Okay, but this is Canadian news. This is not going to really impact like the price of gold. It's not going to impact the US30 or anything like that. Okay, so this morning, there's not too much red folder, orange folder news for US dollar, US30. So we might just have a slow Friday. Again, but we'll wait for 9:30 open. That's when we get the equities open, and we'll see the direction. But I can also take a trade up here, but I'm waiting patiently for volume to close up there. Okay. Alicia, well, good morning, everybody. Eric, good morning, everybody. So this candle on gold is going to close in a minute 53, and again, we're getting rejected. We're getting rejected, okay? So we're not taking a buy signal until we get up here. And it's important for me to tell you guys that I am not a licensed financial advisor. I don't work for any banks. Trading is at your own risk, guys. We are an educational platform here. If you have any questions, look at our disclaimer in the description. So welcome everybody. We're going to get to US30 in one moment. I just want 1 minute to see where this gold is going to close. And guys, we're coming off of gold right here. We were trading this last night during London. We got this nice little 55 pip drop right here. Wow, 63 viewers. Thank you guys. If I can just get you guys to like the channel, if you guys are getting value out of this, consistently, Dave and I are streaming 2 to 3 times per day, 10 to 15 times per week for you guys. If you guys are getting value out of this channel, please hit the like button. That helps us with trending. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe. We're almost at 1,700 subscribers. Let's hit 1,700, guys. I feel like a giveaway today for Friday. Our 1,700 subscriber will get a free sniper mentorship month with us. So whoever our 1,700 subscriber will be gets a 1 month free VIP with us. Okay, it's Friday. We feel like giving away. So let's see who it's gonna be, guys, and we'll let you guys know this afternoon who it is. Okay, so it closed. Look, it came up there and did not close with volume. Okay, so this is our next candle. Okay, this one may push. We're in a little bit of an uptrend right here. Okay, I'm not looking at that wick down there because that could have just been a false signal by the market makers bringing it down, picking up liquidity. I follow the volume, the bodies. So we are in an ascending triangle. We just need to break above here, 1786.21. Okay, so see how we're watching this area. I'm gonna flip to US30 really fast, but I don't want to miss the move. Okay, so US30, it's breaking out of the consolidation box right here. It's a W pattern, so it's looking strong. Okay, so we moved up here, closed right at the 200-day. Okay, so we'll also watch US30, guys. I'll come back and chart this in one moment. Here's gold, guys. Gold is breaking out. Okay, but also I use support and resistance on my RSI indicator here too, because it helps me look for divergence and things like that. So our previous high where we got up to, this green candle, this nice little move up, we got up to 66 on the RSI. So we are still below it, okay? And the price action is breaking out, impulse breaking out, impulse breaking out, but the strength is below this. So this is bearish divergence, guys, okay? So we're gonna see, is it gonna get rejected around here and then come down, and then maybe that will strengthen our sell idea down here. Maybe this thing is gonna bounce back down in here, okay? We're not gonna buy gold until we get volume to close, because you might just get wicked out. Here was a fake out, here was a fake out, and this is a fake out. Okay, so that's why, guys, we gotta remain patient. Okay, because this could go bearish, and then we get a red candle come right here, and then break this trend line and come right back down. Okay, so see how we're getting rejected at top. You guys have to follow the volume and the wicks of candles. Okay, see when I open it up, you see how we have a spin top candle, rejection. This was a bullish candle, but it was an impulse break, get rejected. This one came up, got rejected, came up, got rejected. Okay, so now it's turning into a pin bar. That's why we're very patient. You guys could have been caught on a buy up here, thinking that it's going to break out, and look, it's coming down bearish. Okay, yeah, I see the divergence on gold as well. That's why I do these lines and things like that. But now we're coming down shooting stars. See why we don't take a buy, guys? Now it could come down. We could be looking for the sell right down here. Okay, right here, 1784.50 area. Okay, right here. Okay, but again, we're gonna watch for volume to close down there. Okay. Okay, so the moves that I'm looking for is looking for a break to come down here, possibly touch the 200A. Then we're looking for a retest right into this area and break down to this. This is my hourly support, white lines, and then we break down, we come back down to this demand zone. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for there. For the buys, guys, you know what we're looking for the buys. We never got it, so we didn't get our buy up here. I was looking for this nice impulse break, which we got, but we didn't have any volume close above there, so that we can move up to this daily resistance, 1787, and then move up to here. So that's why, guys, patience and discipline. All in here, this is accumulation distribution area. This is where market makers are filling contracts. Okay, they're filling contracts in here, guys. Okay, accumulation, distribution, buying and selling, fulfilling orders, all in this area. Okay, eventually we will get a move out of this order flow area. It'll either be bearish or it will be bullish, or it will continue to trade sideways. And inside here, I don't trade this area. This is a no trade zone for me. This is what I call the sniper trapping gap area right in here. Okay, so what I do is I box this area in like this. Okay, and I only trade above or below the box. Okay, and here we might get a nice 50 break on RSI. We haven't really had it. All we had was the breakout up here, bullish. There was a little tease down there, but we never really got it. So gold again didn't break yet. Okay, so it's still consolidating in the middle, guys. Ishan, so we take decision based on only after candle closing. Yes, we are confirmation retest traders. We are not gonna just take impulse candles, because if you took this impulse candle buy or this one, you are at a loss right now. Okay, so guys, just remain patience. Okay, okay, we're about to possibly break the support line right here. Okay, so get ready, guys. I'm just getting my MT4 ready just in case we do something. Okay, we're gonna go for about 2 hours today, till about 10:30 a.m. Eastern. Then we're gonna wrap it up. We had a busy week. Dave and I have a conference meeting later, but it was awesome, guys. Thank you so much. 94 viewers, guys. Let's get this to 100. Let's go. Okay, so now we're getting our breakout, but this could just be exactly like up here. It could be coming down and then find some support right at this 208 and come right back in. So we need this red volume to close below this area. Okay, and when you're trading impulse candles, like, it's up to you guys if you want to trade them, because these things can drop 5-10 pips, But if you're trading them, you need to learn how to scale out, because like the name suggests, it's an impulse candle. It's nothing confirmed, okay? See again here, it came down and came right back in. So we got to follow the volume. We have 2 minutes and 55 seconds. There's still a lot of time on this candle, but this was just like London last night. We had to wait before the official breakout. Sashib, how do you make the box? What I follow? I look for consolidation. Okay, you can see consolidation. This is a resistance area up here, and then I look for a nice support level. So I could carry this back here, and you can see I'll carry this with me. Okay, but that's a nice little consolidation zone. No trade zone. We don't trade inside this box unless like if I flip to the 1 minute candles, I can scalp inside here. I can flip to the 1 minute candles and I can scalp all in there. But for the most part, you want to wait for the breakdown or the breakout. Okay, and now we have a trend break. This was our uptrend. We have a trend break. Okay, so I can get rid of this because now it's a trend break, and now we could be coming down. But do you see how it's still holding support in here? It's holding support going green, so it might bounce around in here, guys. When it's trading inside here, we could look at a different pair now. We could go check out US30. We can start chart US30 and get ready for that. Ishan Sharma, you're new here. Why are we using 5 minute time frame? We are 5 minute scalpers. 5 minute scalpers here. If you're not here for 5 minute scalping, then you can go to a different channel. But we are 5 minute scalpers. We are even 1 minute scalpers. Okay, we are fast action snipers here. Okay. Scalper Joe, what's going on, bro? Welcome. Ashley, welcome. German 30. Okay, we'll get to those, guys. We'll get to those, okay? Okay, so it's holding, maintaining, guys. Let's check out US30. We got to chart US30. Oh, wow. Look at US30 breaking out, okay? So US30 is really breaking out, okay? Okay, this was the zone from London. We had the dump at London, come down, gain some support, and now we're coming up. I can start to see a trend line from over here, okay? So it's coming up. There it is. That's where it broke out, okay? See this? This is a symmetrical triangle, and there's the breakout right there, okay? So how high can this move come to? It can come up to here. Can possibly get up to 34,836. This might be another 20 pips to the upside, okay? And next area is right here. Okay, so I don't want to chase up here. I don't like chasing. The trade to this trade was, you could have taken the buy down here. You could have taken the buy at the trend break retest right here. But I don't want to chase. This is at the top, guys. I don't chase the top. What I'll wait for is some consolidation, and then I'll wait for RSI to cool off because it is getting overextended up here at 72. I'll wait for a possible pullback, or I'll let it cool off, and then I'll take the next leg up. But I'm not chasing the top up here, guys. Okay, that's like FOMO buying, fear of missing out. You think it's going to continue to go up, but the play was already established down here. Okay, so this started before we started the call. Like here is where we started the call. That's where we had the breakout, but we were looking at gold. So sometimes I like to come into these calls. I'll have everything charted before, and then we'll go right into trading. We'll see something, okay? So here's another area of consolidation, okay? So what I could do is I'm going to trap this area in here, and I'm going to wait for the move, okay? I let the trade come to me. I don't chase trades, okay? So the way how I'm going to set this chart up is we're going to look over here, okay? Okay, I could look for a scale back right in this zone. Okay, so I'll wait in here to see if price reverses and comes back, closes here just like gold, and then we drop in here. Okay, so this area that I'm looking for is 34,806, and then maybe we can come back below 34,800 and break that psychological level right there. Okay, if this thing continues to go bullish, okay, I'm not going to buy the top yet. I'm going to wait. I want to see price action maybe consolidate before it moves up. Yeah, it can move up. It could break for another 5-10 pips, but I'm not chasing it because the probability is this thing is going to actually scale back. Okay. No, spreads don't affect the 1 minute scalping. Everything is the same, okay? Because if you look for 1 minute candles, like if I flip right now on US30 to 1 minute candles, look at this move on the 1 minute candles right here. Boom. Look at that. Beautiful. See the 1 minute candles break out? How many pips are those 1 minute candles? Let's get our tape. Like where I could be start scalping this, I could get in here. Right there. There's 60 pips in 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes. Okay? 60 pips in 4 minutes. That's why we scalp 1 minute candles, but you have to be, you got to know how to trade, guys. That's more advanced trading, okay? Because 1 minute candles are very erratic if you don't know what to do. So that's why we stay with 5 minute candles, okay? You need extreme patience with 1 minute candles, okay, is what I'm trying to say. Ishan, I'm new to Forex. I've always been told that we go from 4 hour, 15 minute still. Yes, so I did my top down, guys. We did London session. That's why I kept my chart. I did London. I slept for 2 hours, got right back up. So I already have all the top down homework done. We go from daily to 4 hour to hourly to 5 minute scalping, okay? And we can even drop it down to 1 minute scalping. So absolutely, you are correct, Ishan. BU in the house, my man, what's good? So gold going down, guys. Let's take a look at gold. You guys keep me heads up here. Oh wow, look at, okay, so gold, look at it dropping, okay? So it is now in our zone, okay? So if you take the impulse candle, this is what I mean. You can get it coming down here. You can grab, if you like impulse candles, but if not, we wait for the retest, okay? That's almost 10 pips, okay? So, but it could come down, catch a wick, and come right back up, just like this one. This one was a red candle coming all the way down and caught that wick and started that, okay? So let's watch for the volume close on this, okay? We're breaking 50 RSI, okay? We've got 30 seconds left on the candle, so we're gonna watch here, guys, okay? So let's watch the close. We're also below, this is the 200-day exponential moving average. This yellow line is the 200 EMA, okay? So we may get price action to close below it as well, okay? So that is giving us another bear signal, okay? Okay, so this candle is going to close right now. Let's watch the next candle will be our retest confirmation candle. We could find green support right here because this white line is hourly support. So we might find a green candle coming back up. But it got rejected right away, okay? So that's important. Look, it got rejected right away. This thing could break down right here, okay? So this is a retest candle. If we break this hourly there, see how it broke? Okay, so initially broke. We can come down to this level now, 1782.50, okay? We could come down to this level because this was over here at 6 o'clock, guys. This is New York's open, New York, okay? So we could be doing, look at this M pattern, guys, okay? This is an M pattern. This is a reversal pattern. Okay, let me show you guys. We have leg 1 coming up here, okay? Then it meets a neckline right here. That's the next leg. And then here could be the potential break for the M pattern coming down to here, okay? So what we need is a volume. We need this red volume to get below this hourly support, guys. I can flip to my hourly candles right now. We did this with London last night. And look at here. So this hour from 8 to 9, this candle is going to close in about 3 minutes and 30 seconds. We have a long rejection wick and it's coming down heavy. There we go. Look at the hourly candle. Very bottom heavy coming down. All we got to do is break this area, 1782, and we could drop down further, back down to this zone, 1781. This was our hourly demand zone from London last night, okay? So guys, you see, we chart everything because we do multiple sessions. We do Tokyo, we do London, we do New York. Okay, we trade everything. Okay, so we're watching for this break, critical break. Last time we got down here, we got this big rejection wave coming back up. We could get that same thing, but now we have bearish momentum. We broke the 50 RSI and we're coming down, guys. I'm in this trade, guys. Okay, there we go. Beautiful. Drop. Here we go. So I'm watching volume here too. I want it to close below there, because then we can come all the way back down to 1781. Okay, this could be, wow, if we come down and break this area. This was New York, guys. New York start 6 a.m. Okay, we could really drop. I can go to now my 15-minute candle. Look at 15s as well. 15-minute candle is very bearish. So it just broke down below 50. Okay, so if I get my 15-minute candle confirmation closing below here in 2 minutes, then my next 15-minute candle could be bearish as well. Here we go, guys. Beautiful, guys. Okay, I'm up 10 pips right now. I could look to scale out. Guys, join the free FX group pinned at the top, guys. We post our profits in there. We show everything in there. So if you're new here, at the top of the chat pinned up there is the free FX group. Get in there. We post all of our results, okay? Because we do trade live. We get asked this on every single call. Are we trading or are we just charting? And we're trading. Okay, guys, sorry, I'm just in this trade. I'm looking to do a few things here. Let me know, did you guys get in the sell as well? Took partials. I see Pablo. Congrats, bro. Blora, good stuff, guys. Always secure partials, okay? Because one candle can flip. We're gonna have a new hourly candle open in 2 minutes, guys. So normally these candles open up bullish, okay? Because we get a lot of hours. Okay, so this is the new 9 a.m. candle, okay? We're getting some buying, but now it's dropping, okay? So it got rejected real quick. There it goes, guys. Yes. Look at the drop. Woo! There we go. Come down. Okay, so next area we could come down to is down here, 1781, okay? Buyers coming in. Scale out, guys. Nice little drop there. Guys, 18-20 pips. Let's go. Oh my god, 20 pips, guys. Okay, beautiful. Excellent, guys, excellent. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show what I did here. Get in that free FX group, guys. It's pinned at the top. Beautiful, guys. Don't get greedy, okay? This is a nice 20 pip move. Don't get greedy, guys, on a Friday morning. Grab your pips for the weekend. We'll look for other trades, okay? There we go, guys. Okay, take a look at the FX group, guys, if you can. 78 viewers. Check this out. There's my trade. I just posted it in the FX group. Oh, look at the drop. Woo! Look at here. See, this was pre-London, right here, London, when we were trading, okay? So we're coming down, guys. This is a full... If you put Fibonacci retracements from swing low to swing high, this could be a full 100% retracement, guys. Beautiful, okay? Very nice. Here's our FX group, guys. Yeah, spamming won't be tolerated, guys. We'll give you one warning, and then after that, you'll be taken out, guys. We're not here to show some respect to the stream, guys. There's a lot of people that are here for education, and we don't need spamming, guys. Thank you. BU, my man. We got a moderator over here, okay? We're not fooling around now. We don't need this shit, guys. look at here, guys. Here's our FX group. It's pinned at the top here. This is me right here. Okay, I just posted it. I took this sell at 1783.39. I just got down 20 or 21 pips. There's my commission, $4.50. It's a real trade. This is not demo account. I trade with Fusion Markets Live. There it is. So I just scaled out $200. This was me during last night's London session. I took that sell here, made that. This was Jeff, one of our members, $220 with me last night. This was the gold breakdown we took in London for 55 pips. And then right here. So everything is posted in FX group, guys, okay? We do take lives. Oh my goodness, look at this gold. Guys, let's get these profits. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. But secure some. Okay, this yellow line, guys, 17, just below 1780. This is daily support. Oh my goodness. We're getting a look at the drop. We could come down to here. Okay, this is next level right here, 1778.74. Okay, but we just broke daily support. RSI is over here at 2930. Okay, these are those 30 RSI buyers, but we're gonna follow the volume. Okay, let's go, guys. Excellent. Okay, this is how I love to start a Friday morning. Good job, Shahib. I get confused between a buy and sell. I am not sure how you got confused about a buy and sell. Okay, you see these big red candles breaking down below right here. This was the entry, or this one, or this one. Okay, you got Shahib. You might be new with us. Join a few streams, watch a few of our videos this weekend, and you'll see how Dave and I trade. Okay, don't want to miss out, guys. So you can review those videos over the weekend on YouTube and come back with us. We start Sunday night with forecasts, and then we'll have another profitable week. Okay, Madcap, you scaled out too soon. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Okay, pips are pips. Good job, guys. See, look at where I got in. Where did I get in on the sell? Let's take a look. I got in at 1783.40. Okay, 1783.40, 1783.40. Right, I got in on this candle. Okay, right here, this continuation candle. See, I didn't get in there. Okay, I didn't. That was the impulse candle. I waited, and then I saw the continuation. There was no pullback coming up, so I hammered it down with this candle. As soon as it started breaking below that hourly support, that's where I got in. 1783.36. I started to scale out too when we started to hit here. It's okay. This would have been, if I held the entire position, could have been $300, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm happy with 21 pips on a scalp. Okay. Yeah, excellent. Good stuff, Connor. Connor, when you get into a trade like this, what you can do is, my stop loss is usually placed above a zone, or when I'm scalping above a 5-minute candle. So what you could do is, if you're still in the trade, move your stop loss to break even. It's a risk-free trade, no emotions, and then scale out some profits. Take out maybe 80% of your profits. Leave a small runner if gold is going to continue to break down. We could see some consolidation down here. RSI is getting oversold, but I'm not an RSI buyer just at 30. I wait for confirmation. To be a buy, guys, to get a reversal, we need price action to come back up. Remember, this used to be a demand zone, now it's a supply zone. I need price action to get above 1781.50 to even consider being a buy right now. Okay, understand, I'm taking only buys above this area. Otherwise, this could just be bullish pullbacks. They'll cool off the RSI, and then selling momentum will come in at this supply zone and continue to hammer it down. Okay, Shahib, you're a newbie. No worries. Everyone starts somewhere, but just if you need to join the mentorship team, we cater to everybody, to new traders, to advanced traders. You get a lot of value with the Sniper team for $1 a day. But review our YouTube videos. There's over 100 now live videos. Review them, guys. There's a lot of good content, a lot of good value in those videos, and you'll see the type of way how we trade in all those videos, guys. Yeah, and Keith, I'll get to US30 one moment, because we got some gold sellers in here. I'll get to it. Guys, I can't flip flop to 20 different charts, guys. I myself, when I trade, I like to focus on three charts, okay? Because I follow price action. I'm not a trader that just can go to different pairs. I have to do my top-down analysis on everything. It takes time, guys. And then by the time I'm doing that, I could be missing a trade, okay? So I really focus on gold, US30, NASDAQ. We could do maybe one currency pair, like a GBPUSD, a Euro, a GBPJPY, something like that, okay? So that's all it is, guys. If you're flip-flopping to 10 different charts, guys, maybe you gotta scale it down. You guys gotta focus on one or two or three pairs, okay? Especially when you're scalping, guys. We're not swing trading, okay? So I'm not looking for like long-term swing. If I was, I could go to 4-hour charts. I could chart every single ticker on my watch list, and I could sit back and relax for 4 hours. But when you're scalping, guys, if I miss one 5-minute candle, could make or break profits, okay? So you got to understand, maybe during a less volatile session like Tokyo Asian, we could look at multiple pairs because it's slower. But during New York, guys, you can't be fooling around with New York, okay? I'm just putting that out there for you guys, just maybe to help you guys. Maybe you guys are charting too many pairs. Just focus on one or two and get to know the price action. With gold, I don't even have to draw support and resistance lines because I trade gold so much. I know where the daily support is just in my head. I know exactly where they are. I know where they are on the hourly. I look at it, I trade it 24 hours a day. So like I do these lines to help you guys to see where to take profits and things like that. Thank you for the subscription, Nassim. Thank you, bro. We appreciate you. Okay, so see how now it's pulling back up. That's why I tell you guys 100% of the time, scale out profits, guys. Don't get greedy in markets like this. Look at this big bullish engulfing candle coming right back up, okay? So you could have lost right there a few 10 pips, okay? 15 pips if you don't understand to scale out, guys, okay? So don't get greedy. I scaled out, okay? I took profits when it came down to this supply zone, okay? Okay, so let's take a look now. This is the reversal. US30, guys. Let's take a look at US30. Okay, US30, okay? So remember I told you up here, it's continuing breakout. Look at US30. It got up to 82 on the RSI, okay? So we could be looking for a nice little pullback coming very soon on the US30. We might get it during equities open at 9:30 a.m. That's the New York Stock Exchange. That's the equities open. Okay, it is big time overextended. So what we could do is we could draw like a parallel channel, okay, from here coming all the way up to here, okay? And now what we're waiting for is the spillover, okay? We're gonna wait for this to break out of this parallel channel. Possibly I like down here, and then maybe to start shorting it down here. So I could also move this up now, okay, to possibly right over here. Okay, this could be during the we have about 20 minutes before we get New York Stock Exchange open, okay? So I could be looking for a sell order down there, okay? 136 viewers. Wow, this is awesome, guys. Thank you for joining. Mario, what's up, my brand? 200 on gold. Absolutely. Good job, guys. Mario's our senior man, day one guy. Lots of respect. He's my Dallas Cowboys fan. Let's go, Mario. Get those pips, bro, for the weekend. Okay, so we're gonna wait now for the US30. I'm not buying. I'm not a buyer up here. That's why I'm not even showing a buy up here, because I'm not one of these guys that chases. I do not chase trades. I wait patiently for quality pips, okay? I know that a lot of guys are dying to chase US30 up here, but I'm not, okay? Yeah, guys, if I can get you guys to like this channel, please. It's Friday morning. We're making pips. On gold, we just killed it, 20 pips. Help a brother out with some likes. Let's get trending, guys, okay? It's fun when you get trending. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe, guys. You don't want to miss out, okay? Yeah, let that be a lesson, Shahib. You didn't exit on gold. Now you're down $2.44. What do I do now? Hold or exit. Okay. What you need to do is, we got to hold below this area. Okay. Okay. This is where the break started. So this could be a pullback. Okay. This could be a pullback. See how we're approaching 50 on the RSI, but sell orders could start coming in now by this 200-day moving average, and sellers could push it right back down. This could be a pullback. But Shahib, you need to learn how to scale out when you're in profits, bro. It takes time. I know you're new to trading, but use micro lots while you're learning. Okay, don't over leverage your account, and it's a skill you need to learn. Okay, but you can learn it on this channel with us. Okay, so join in on our calls, and you can learn with Dave and I. Okay. Erniel up 630 points on Nasdaq. Congrats, bro. Congrats, man. Have you been trading all night, or did you get a little bit of sleep as well from London? The pullback for gold means that you don't buy for it, right? You just save trading. Yeah, the pullback is this. This is the pullback. If you want to scalp the pullback, you can. But what you're doing is you're counter trading. So when you're scalping, you got to understand that it might be a 5, 10, 15 pip scalp, because it could just be pulling back to cool off the RSI, and then sell orders will come up here. The market makers could move supply from here to this area. Now we'll have a new supply area here, and then now they'll start pushing it down. See how we're getting rejected right now? And this is coming down as a pin bar candle. So if this candle comes down and we close again below 1782.27, we could possibly come back down and go bearish. This could just be a one leg coming up. So like when you're looking at patterns, guys, that's why also candlesticks make patterns. Here's leg one coming down. This could be like leg two right here, but it's forming a neckline, and then we could look for the next leg coming back down here. Okay, and if we break, we could go down further. Maybe we find some support there. It tries to come up here. Here's our next zone. Maybe we get a lower high here, and then it pushes down like this. Okay, so that's what we're looking for, guys. Easy way to calculate pips, Ishan, on gold is every dollar gold moves, it's 10 pips. Okay, if it moves 10 cents right here, 10, 0.20, 0.30, that's 1 pip, 2 pip, 3 pip. And then if you move one whole dollar, if gold moves from 1784 to 1785, that's 10 pips. Okay, that's an easy way to calculate gold pips. For every dollar move gold moves, that's 10 pips. Okay, good job, guys. Good profits in the sniper group. Amazing, guys. Jeff, is that you, bro? $456? Damn, son. Good job. Okay, so gold. Now it could consolidate here, but it could push down again. Okay, so let's look at, let's get ready, guys, because we're about 14 minutes away from, look at US30 continue to run up, but we'll see how long it can sustain this. So what I can do is I look left where it can come. So we're breaking over here, guys. We're breaking over here. Wow. So this was Tokyo session high. Look at, we're breaking Tokyo right here. Okay. So next areas that this can come up to. US30 is a beast right now. Okay. Wow, this thing can get back up to 35,000, okay? Look at what I'm going to do up here. 35,000 is going to be a yellow line up here, okay? This is 35,000. I'm going to change it to yellow. This is like a magnet on the daily, okay? So look at the 5-minute candles, just very aggressive, okay? Beautiful breakout on US30, but the spillover is going to be nice, guys, okay? We're going over 85 on our side. It's getting heavily overbought right now in the 5 minutes. Ross, you think we break 35,000, bro? Wow. Shahib, I made 1.83% on gold. Good for you, bro. 2% is a nice trade. Okay, you're a percentage guy. That's fantastic. Okay, keep compounding that percentage gains, and you watch your small account grow. Okay, good job. Jeff, you're killing it, bro. Jeff's been with us for 2 days now. On the one London call, he made $2,000. Last night, he grabbed 200 with me and another 500 right now. Jeff, you're like at $3,000 with us in real money in like 2 days, bro. Congrats, man. Send Dave and I a bottle of champagne over here to London, Ontario, bro. You're a fellow Canadian. Guys, great call. 150 viewers. I appreciate you guys. Thank you, guys. Just please hit the like, guys. That's all I ask in return, guys. Excellent. 70 likes. I appreciate you guys. We got 2 dislikes. That's okay. Some guys don't like scalping. Some guys don't want to make pips real fast. That's okay. They can go back to daily candles. My moving average is the yellow line is 200A EMA. 200A crypto legend. 200A. Good job, guys. Ishan, thank you, bro. You just found this channel today, and I'm amazed, bro. Thank you, man. We appreciate you. So this weekend, Ishan, review some of our last videos. We stream 3 times a day right now, so you'll see like when we're setting up supply demand areas, how we set it up, and how we trade on the 5 minute candles. But good job, guys. Okay. So again, we're waiting patiently for US30 to break down. Okay. We might get it during the equities session in 10 minutes. Okay. That's where we're gonna get volatility, guys. Be ready. If you guys are in any trades right now, just remember in about 10 minutes we're gonna get some volatility, guys. Um, so get ready. Nasdaq similar to US30. Okay, we're in a nice uptrend, but it is getting overextended as well. Okay, so we might see a NAS100 scale back a little bit too. Okay, so we could look. This is hourly level. This is a daily level. Thank you for the subscription, Petrus. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you. Okay, so see how it's consolidating right now up here. Okay, that's normal because it's getting ready for the equity session. Um, right here. Okay, so it's getting ready for equities. When it spills over, we could have a trend break. I could look for possible short position and a sell on Nasdaq right here, NAS30 in this area. Okay, I could look for something like this. 14,966. Okay, we could be looking for something down here. We'll wait patiently for that move as well. Okay, US30. This thing is a monster right now. Monster. This is in beast mode. It's going huge, guys. Yeah, Jeff, just using a one lot on gold. Just you're doing really well with it, but just uh, keep it up, man. If you got the money in your accounts, you got the leverage, then keep it up. But just reading some comments. Darren, I'm new to your channel and have not been doing it at all well, but since watching your stream, I have been learning a lot and enjoying your education during the session. Keep it up. Thank you, bro. We appreciate you, Darren. Thank you. Keep it up. Keep learning. We'll help you as much as we can. We'll help you with your education. If you have any questions, you're welcome to ask. Thank you. Erniel, what is your opinion? Gold, it depends on the contract you are trading. It's scaled point a lot, something like that. If it's one lot contract, so it's a pip and $1 is pip. Yep, good job. Um, Ermiel, appreciate all of your knowledge on these calls. Okay, guys, so let me just go back to gold. Guys, we got to get ready. 8 minutes. I'm not in any trades right now, okay? Normally, I scale out because there's going to be lots of volatility at 9:30. That's the equities market is opening up. New York Stock Exchange. There's tons of volatility. Normally, on our Forex Factory, we have a lot of news coming out at 8:30, 9:30 for USD, but we have nothing today. So we'll see the volatility what we get today, okay? Guys, who doesn't like making pips on a Friday? Okay, perfect. And then we can go into the weekend, and we can do some homework. We can relax with the families. We can enjoy it, guys. Snipers had a big week this week, guys, and next week is going to be even better. We're going to have some solid webinars for you guys. We're going to learn all about top-down analysis. We're going to talk about brokers. We're going to talk about market makers. We're going to talk about liquidity providers. We're going to talk about banks, how it's all in levels about forex trading. So it's beyond candlesticks. It's beyond support and resistance. When you understand who dictates the market, starting from banks to market makers, to brokers, to liquidity providers. And once you start understanding all of that, then how it comes down to us. We are the retail traders, okay? So, but everything has levels. Everybody has to make money. The banks got to make money. The brokers got to make money. The market makers they're out there just to dictate the supply and demand. They're the ones that fulfill the contracts, okay? So there's lots to do. We got a lot of good webinars coming up next week, guys. We do 3 to 4 p.m. power hour scalping and question and answer period 2 to 3 times per week now. That was a suggestion from one of our snipers, Ashley, who's on the call. And we listen to our snipers and we do what they tell us to do. Okay, guys. So we're about 5 minutes. So gold, it pulled back up, it came back down, but look, now it's forming a higher low at the demand zone. Okay, so gold could be starting to push up. So we could start to look for a possible buy on gold. Okay, we'll get ready. I want to see if it can break this hourly level 1783.30. That was my hourly support, so now it's acting as resistance. If I can get 5-minute candle to come back and close above here and we get above the 200A, we could possibly look for a nice bullish move on gold. Okay, so what I could do is I could bring this back. Okay, that was for the sell, guys. Now we could be positioning ourselves for a possible buy. Ifakar, thank you, bro. Second day watching your channel, and you're a very good teacher. Everything is explained so well. Thank you. No, thank you, bro. Thank you. Thank you. We appreciate you, man. Everybody on the call, guys. 170 viewers, guys. Our record, I believe, was 185 viewers. We want to get up to 200. That would be amazing. If we can get this channel to over 200 viewers, guys, oh, that would make my weekend big time. So if we can just like the channel, guys, if you guys are getting a lot of content out of this, that helps with trending if you guys like the channel. Okay, guys, so let's look at the clock. 3 minutes and 43 seconds away from equities open. NYSE, New York Stock Exchange, okay? So we got US30. We're looking for a possible sell on the US30, okay? NASDAQ, we could be looking for a possible sell also on NASDAQ, okay? So I'm boxing this in. That's my consolidation zone. I could start to move this up here for a sell. See how I'm going with the price action? I'm following it, okay? Because I'm gonna wait for the break, and not just guys like impulse candle. We might get it during New York. We might get the impulse, but also if you're a confirmation trader, not just impulse. What we're looking for is the break. Then we're looking for a retest, and then we're looking for push down, another pullback, possibly right here, then a lower high, and then a push down to here. Okay, so that's what we're going to look for on our US30. NASDAQ, similar chart. Okay, consolidating at the top. We're going to look for, hopefully we get coming down, but if it breaks out bullish, I'm not a buyer up there. I don't chase, guys. I don't chase the highs. Okay, I like quality pips. I'm not a chaser. Okay, You guys are welcome if you guys want to get, if it breaks out, you guys can take a buy up there. That's all on you guys. I'm not even charting a buy up there. And guys, just to put out there, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. Everything on this channel is for educational purposes only. We provide education, we provide trade ideas, but we do not give you guys buy and sell signals. I don't tell you buy here, sell here. That's all up to you to learn. And that's better that way, guys. We're not a signal provider. We have guys that come on here and ask for signals. That's not what we do here. We're more for education. We're here to teach you how to trade. If that's what we do here. If you're looking for signals, there's a ton of groups out there on YouTube, on Telegram. You guys can check them out. Okay, we're not a signal group. Copito, can I explain DXY and if it's tradable? Yes. DXY is the US dollar index. It's comprised of all the major currencies around the world, which are the British pound, the euro, the Canadian dollar, the New Zealand dollar, the Australian dollar. Okay, guys. So we're already 1 minute into the session. Okay, so we got US30. It came down. We're finding support right here. We're finding a little bit of support at 34,861. Okay, guys, I apologize if there was a little bit of a lag. I'm not sure what it is, okay, but I'm staying with you guys here. Um, Guys, are you guys good here? Can you guys, is the stream good for you guys? Okay, good guys. It could have been the music in the background. I was using guys. We got YouTube Premium for non-copyright music. Since I started using that, maybe it's causing. Um, that's what's causing it. I got rid of all the music, so maybe that was what the issue was. Okay, we'll correct that this weekend, guys. But as long as you guys are back, so okay, let's not waste time. So it came down. That was the impulse break down here, and then now it's turning into a pin bar candle. We got a long rejection right here on the US30 at 34,850. Now it could be moving up here. Okay, so let's watch how the candle body is going to close. The volume. We got a minute 43 left on it. Um, so let's see here. Okay, so now it's coming back down. Okay, so the volume is coming down. Okay, there's a lot of buyers. Okay, remember, we're coming from a very, very strong uptrend, so it's going to take a lot of selling pressure to start breaking this down. Okay, um, but guys, it could get bullish and it could start breaking above here, 34,936. It could have just came down, cooled RSI, and then it could break up again here. So we could, as much as I hate this, we could be looking for a buy up here. Like I'm not a big fan of this, but this is for you guys. If you guys are bullish on US30, you could possibly get it come back up to 35,000. Okay, um, to this yellow line. So that area we're looking for a break would be 34,936. What are you guys' thoughts? Do you guys think US30 is still bullish, or do you think we're going to get a pullback? Let me know in the chat, guys. Put it in there. That helps me know what you guys are feeling too here. What do you guys? Are you guys bullish or bearish on this US30 right now? Do you think we're going to break up to 35,000? Pablo, US30 usually closes green on Fridays. Really? Okay, that's good to know. You guys think it's bullish? Going back into that buy zone? Yeah. So let's see. Wow. Okay. Here we go. But guys, also watch for false signals, okay? False candles. What market makers like to do is they like to drive it up again and then they'll wick it out. Then they'll take that liquidity and then they'll pound it down, okay? So just careful on false candles, guys, okay? That's what FOMO buying is, guys. Okay, so see how it closed? Now we're getting this momentum. Oh my goodness, okay? So like RSI is back at 83, continuing to drive up, okay? So this just shows you that US30 does not care about RSI levels. When it wants to move, this shit moves, guys. Oh my goodness, okay? So 35,000 is a psychological number, big number. I'm looking, if this thing comes and touches down 35,000, I'm going to start a short entry up here and then I'll place my stop loss accordingly. But this thing is really overextended, okay? Really overextended. It started to break out here at 34,768. Get the tape measure from right here to here. Guys, this is over 200 pip move, okay? Over 200 pips. So this thing needs to cool off, okay? Needs to eventually cool off. NASDAQ, let's check out NASDAQ too. NASDAQ, okay, so NASDAQ's coming down. US30 has that wick at the top, okay. Guys, we'll stay with US30 for a little bit, then we'll move to gold. Okay, so how high did it get up to? It got up to this wick right here. It got up to 34,973, okay. So we got a rejection. Finally, we got a rejection up here, okay. 152 viewers. Thank you guys. You guys came back. It sucks that I lost those other guys with that leg, but it is what it is. Um, okay, so what I can do now is I can start to see that they're already establishing a supply zone up here. Okay, so like right up here, we have supply zone, initial supply, initial, okay? Because this big bullish candle got rejected right there, okay? So we could have supply here at 34,975, okay? So I'm just waiting to see how this candle is going to close in about 2 minutes and 28 seconds. NASDAQ, guys, is that what you guys want to see? NASDAQ? Okay, so NASDAQ as well. NASDAQ coming down bearish, came down really nice and bearish, but picking up here some support coming back. So guys, I'm waiting for volume to close below 14,966 to do anything on NASDAQ, okay? Otherwise, it's just going to trade up and down in here. I want to see volume close down here. So the number for NASDAQ to go bearish, I'm looking at 14,966, okay? Wow, these things are very, market is, oh my goodness, look at this. I'm sitting back in awe, guys. This is unbelievable, okay? I've never seen this type of strength before this is, wow, this is big. Okay, so they're still holding this zone down here. The supply is still holding it down, okay? So market makers, in order to bring this down, they gotta bring in contracts here to keep this down. They gotta put more supply to fulfill all of this demand, and then hopefully we can start to rotate this down. Okay, I want to catch the pullback on US30. Yeah, US30 is completely overbought up here, but we gotta remain patient. Okay, what's gold doing? Oh man. So gold broke out of here. This is what I was watching too. I was watching to see the hourly level right here. It broke. There was a retest on gold coming back up. Okay, so we were staring at US30, but I like the buy in here. I missed that. I would have had a buy order in there. Okay, damn. Okay, here we go. Another rejection, okay? So I like this now. Now it's coming down as a pin bar candle, okay? 5 seconds till this candle closes. Let's see the continuation candle, okay? They gap it up, okay? So again, they're pushing it, the buyers. Let's see if we can create a lower high wick. Lower high wick is what we need, okay? There's our first wick. There it is, okay? There's the push down, okay? So now we have a lower high wick, 34,958. It's lower than 34,977. Now we could have some selling pressure coming down. But again, we got to get into this kind of consolidation box and then start to look to break down over here, okay? Just requires patience, guys. I'm here for like another hour, guys. So hopefully we get it here, okay? Caputo, patience is the key. Yes, sir. Okay, I like this now. Now we got a bearish engulfing candle. Okay, dropping. Now let's break right here. All we got to do is break 34,921, and then we can come down to 34,900 down here, guys. Okay, if we can really engulf this candle, there we go. Okay, yes, breakdown right there, breakdown right there, right here. This is a big breakdown, 34,919. If we can get that. Yes, look at that push. There we go, guys. Let's go. And then next level is breaking down right here, guys. If we can break right here, 896, 896, okay? Wow, look at, they're bringing it right back up. Oh my goodness, this is incredible, guys, incredible. Okay? But we're going to follow the price action, okay? Lots of bearish divergence, okay? Price action is making, look at the bearish divergence, guys, okay? So we have price action making higher highs, that purple to purple. On our strength, we have it making, look, it's starting to make lower highs, okay? So there is lots of bearish divergence on the 5 minutes, but we are battling a lot of strength here, a lot of strength, okay? So this is a key level. If we can, we have 2 minutes and 45 seconds left on this candle. We need this volume to close below here, 34,920. This is unbelievable. We're going to get a new 15-minute candle in about 2-3 minutes. Let's look at the 15-minute candle. Okay, it came all the way up here. It's got a rejection wick on the 15. We just got to suppress some of this volume. We got to push it down. Okay. Wow, now it turned into a pin bar candle like US30. It's got a lot of strength down here. Oh my goodness, okay? Yeah, well, where are we going? Are we rotating with tech or value stocks? NASDAQ is value stocks, tech, US30 is tech stocks. So they could be rotating. My mate calls me a donkey. Is it a donkey or is it a goat? What is it? Dave, are you calling me a donkey, bro, or a goat? Okay, guys, so a minute 20 left on this candle. See, now selling pressure again, okay? So you got to allow the candle to do its thing. The wick up here, 34,957, is still a lower high from up here, okay? So they are holding. We broke down here. We made a new lower low. So we just got to now follow this volume, okay? Follow the volume. Okay, I'm following the volume, guys. Okay, we got less than a minute, 50 seconds. Come on. I want to see the sellers take control and push this down. Let's go. Break it down here. Let's get some selling pressure. So the last 30 seconds are very critical for a 5-minute candle. We want to see who has the momentum in the close of the candle going into our next bar, our next 5-minute vertical bar, our next candlestick. So this will tell us a lot. And I really want this volume to close below here, this red line. If we can close below here, we could get another red candle pushing down to this level, okay? I'll go to gold in a minute. I'm in a US30 sell right now, so I'll show you guys in a moment. but I've already scaled out a little bit and I got a little bit still running. Wow, see that where the buyers just took control there. Unbelievable. Holy crow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Holy. Right back to 35,000, guys. Unbelievable. Oh my god. Guys, they're putting money in the US tech. Unbelievable, guys. Okay, so that was a small pullback. I scalped that, but I'm watching up here again. Okay, so how high did it get up to? It got up to 34,992. Okay, unbelievable. Okay, guys, sorry, I'm trading too on the side here, so give me a moment, guys. Wow, this thing is breaking 35,000, guys. Unbelievable. Holy. Oh my goodness, guys! I just posted in the FX group. I took that scalp on that bearish candle coming down. I took that scalp and I exited real quick. So here it is. There it is. I took the sell. Oh no, which one did I post here? That was gold. Sorry, I posted the wrong one. My fault. My apologies. 1 second. No, I did. I just got to refresh it. 1 second here, guys. There it is, guys. So I took this sell at 920 and I took it down to 900. So there was a 20 pip move for $200. I don't have commission charges with my broker for indices, so that was that pullback. I took that bearish candle and I exited down here. This candle, it was red. It came down. I got out right here, and then before it rotated back up. Okay, so that was quick scalping. But wow, this thing is reckless. Look at this thing, okay? I am not buying up here. Hell no. Hell no. Guys, if you guys are buying on this, that's on you guys. Congrats to you guys buying up there. I'll chart the highs and everything. This thing is unbelievable right now. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're breaking all of this highs. We could be coming up to here. Oh my god. Okay. 34,035 we can get up to. We could also get up to 34,000 like 70, 50 area, okay? Guys, this thing is heavily overbought, okay? Could look for another nice pullback scalp coming very soon. Okay, so this shows, guys, because we're getting questions. Are we trading? I took the gold sell for $200. I just took a quick scalp. I was in that candle for maybe 2 minutes, another 200 bucks. So I'm just quick scalping, guys. But I'm respecting this too. That's wow. This is strong. Unbelievable. What are you guys thinking? Is this going to continue running? What are you guys' thoughts on this? Tell me, tell me. What do you guys think? This is unbelievable. Okay, you can see some bearish divergence, but if momentum is continuing to run, All it gave us was that 20 pip candle that I scalped. That was the bearish divergence on that play. That little tiny 20 pip pullback. That's it. And then this thing, next candle, just ran up completely bullish. Okay. You guys think it passes 35 up here? Let's see. Thank you for the subscription, John Becarius. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Um, this is unbelievable, guys. I cannot believe this strength. Nasdaq and Nasdaq too. So we got value stocks going. We got U.S. tech going. Gold is dumping. Okay, so gold. This is what I was talking about. I can't remember who it was in the chat that asked me about this. So see how they pulled it right back up to this zone and they dump it. Okay. So that's a pullback and a dump, okay? So watch for gold to break right here, and then we could get it to drop. But guys, I think US30 is scaling back a little bit. Not the British pounds right here. Okay, so we got a nice red candle on top. Here we go, okay? So guys, this could have been like a, let's watch how this bearish candle is going to close, okay? If it can close below this area, then maybe we'll come down. This could look like a little head and shoulder pattern, guys, okay? Here's like your left shoulder. Hopefully this red candle comes down and we start to form a head, and then maybe we form the right shoulder, and then we cool this off, okay? But this is getting ridiculous. The high up here, unbelievable. 35,037. Holy. And again, it's finding some support here. Okay, this yellow line, 35,000, was that psychological number. So the volume closed above, and it's still above there. Okay, so we gotta break this 35,000 to get bearish again. It's a psychological support line right now. There could be a lot of buying momentum, orders filling at 35,000. Yeah, guys, if you guys are in from a low level, wow, congrats, big profits, guys. Okay, so we're gonna get a new hourly candle on in 8 minutes. So look at this hourly candle on US30. Okay, so it continued from here, 8 a.m. continuation all the way up to here. So look at this. This was all resistance on the hourly. It's breaking and closing above here. So this thing in the next hour, it can, oh my goodness, like look at how much it can go up to. This thing can go up to 35,100. Okay, it could really move. But I'm looking to scalp a little bit. Okay, I'm looking to scalp. So I'm looking for some nice red candles because I'm looking for 20, 30, 40 pip retracement. Okay. This is crazy. So this candle is going to close in a minute 50. I want to see bearish volume close below 35,000, below this yellow line. Then maybe we can start get some momentum to fall back just a little bit. Okay, so I'll go to Nasdaq. Nasdaq, wow, look at Nasdaq pumping. Oh my God, wow. Okay, I'm not buying the highs, okay, guys. I'm not buying when RSI is at 87. Hell no, okay? This is incredible. Look at it, okay? I'm not touching that with 10-foot pole. Gold is dropping. Gold is dropping. Okay, so the markets are pumping and gold is dropping, okay? So they're putting money into the NASDAQ and US30. Let's see the US dollar. US dollar, it's sold off. Now it could be coming up. Okay, now we broke 35,000, okay, for US30. Okay, guys, and join the free Telegram group. It's pinned at the top. 176 viewers, guys. We show trades we take live. I took a gold sell. I took that Nasdaq or US30 pullback. I showed the trades I took in London. Dave shows his trades we take. So guys, we are trading live with you guys. We offer education. You guys can ask questions, things like that. I try to answer as all the questions as I can. Um, and if you guys are spamming, then you're gonna get a timeout or you'll get taken out, guys. So we don't need spammers, guys. We want to provide value here. We don't need spamming. Okay. Okay, so our 5 minute candle closed below 35,000. That's good. This is now another bullish candle coming up. Again, we're looking for it to create a lower high. Okay, can we stay below 35,032? Oh my goodness, look at this bullish momentum. What will be the next step of US30? Yeah, it'll be up here, 35,035, and then up here, 35,071. Okay. I think Nasdaq sell? I don't know what's going on right now. This is just bullish momentum. There's no stopping this. This is like a train that just keeps going, okay? And don't be a buyer up here, guys. If you want, that's on you guys. I don't chase up here, okay? I don't chase these trades, okay? No way. We're getting a new 1 hour candle in about 3-4 minutes, so things might turn, okay? But I'm patiently waiting. If you guys are buying up here, that's on you guys, okay? That's up to you guys. If you guys want to continue to buy an overextended play. Grayland, yeah, man, Nasdaq is crazy. Unbelievable. Look at Nasdaq. Wow, wow, wow. So no sell order anywhere, okay? So I'm just sitting back and just observing. I'm watching this, okay? Where's my next resistance on Nasdaq? Up here, okay? Next daily is 15,061. 20 pips from here, 15,061. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness, okay? Do you guys see this US30 or is it just me looking at this? This is insane. How many of you guys are holding this US30 or Nasdaq buys from the bottom? Let me know. This is crazy. This will be a jackpot payday for you guys on Friday. Did anybody get in buys anywhere along here? Ashley, you've been bullish on US30 since day one. Excellent. Oh my god, Namara TV, you've been holding since 34,731. Oh my god. Ross, me and you, bro, we're watching on the sidelines, man. I'm looking for quick scalps, yes, but oh man, I'm watching on the sidelines with you. Holding since 14,094. Good, congrats. Dante exited with 1,000. Good job, bro. 1K, you one rack. Comma day, excellent, bro. Congrats. Holding from the bottom, Tony. Congrats, bro. Good for you guys, okay? Awesome, guys, okay? Hey, small lots don't matter. Pips and profits are profits, okay? Don't worry about small lots, guys. No one is looking to make Lambo lots here, okay? We're just do lots that are comfortable for your account where you're not over leveraging, guys. Krishna, just a scalp. Yeah, me too. I'm just looking for some scalps right now. Um, the bigger sell will be down here on if we can get below this zone. But we are getting a little top wick up here, but there's just so much bullish momentum, so much volume that they are trying to push it down, but there's so much pent up demand coming from down here. Yeah, I told you guys from over here. I'm not a buyer. I never expected this. No way. I thought this candle that I was scalping. I thought we were gonna break down. When I saw it started getting a wick over here and coming up, I exited that trade. I was happy with 20 pips. No, that's a counter trade. That's a quick counter trade. Let that be a lesson for you guys. If you're counter trading a bullish trend, I go, if I like I say 5, 10, 15 pips, you got to be very humble with that because it could come right back up. So when I got 20, I'm like, okay, this is a gift. I'm getting the hell out. I'll take 200 bucks and just look for another trade. We don't need to write down the Telegram. The Telegram, the free Telegram is pinned at the top of the chat, guys. It's pinned at the top of the chat. Just click it at the top of the chat. That's our free Telegram link. Okay, so finally, now we could get a bearish candle. All we got to do is break this 35,000 psychological level. Okay, if we can break that, then maybe we can head down to this area right here, 34,970. Okay, so now we have a new 1 hour candle. This is 10 a.m. guys. We have a new 1 hour candle. This is our new 1 hour candle. Okay, it opened up bearish, but they could push it up to get above the previous wick up here to 35,040 area. Okay, it could see how the 1 hour candle is catching some support right here at 35,000. It could come up and break that wick, and it could easily come up to 35,070. Okay, coming up here. And look at this. It has clean traffic to move up to 35,100. Okay, this is getting real scary up here. This is unbelievable, man. This is strength, guys. So this is you don't want to counter trade, guys. Trade with the trend. If you see something bullish, then just buy, scale out, hold. But I don't want, like me personally, I do not want to buy the highs up here. No way. Not on a Friday. I scalped for some good profits during London and this session, so I'm happy. I don't even need to trade anymore. Like that's another thing, guys. If you make some good profits, guys, end of the week, your account looks good. Don't overtrade, guys. Don't overtrade. Just take it easy. That's good enough, guys. Right? German 30, every indice right now is actually is bullish. Like the German 30, I don't even have to look at the chart. It's probably going out of control. If you look at UK 100, that one's probably going up. All indices right now, okay? NASDAQ, everything is pumping. What is causing this pump of this market like this? Can anyone explain this? What, Erniel, what are your thoughts? What's pumping the markets like this? All the indices continuing to move to all-time highs with barely any correction in the month of August, mid-August. This is ridiculous, guys. Look at this. Holy shit. There's no folder newses. Look at no folder newses. Nothing today to cause this. Okay. Yep. Unless the Fed is pumping in the money into the stock market, that could be another thing. The Federal Reserve could be just pumping it up. Afghanistan. What's happening if Afghanistan is causing this? Fake out before the big drop, Nish. Yeah, I feel that. And Kate, let you know when to buy. We're not buying. We're not buying. We're not buying up here. Okay, this is too overextended. Okay, too overextended. I'm just watching this. I'm in awe. I cannot believe this. Catherine, thank you for the subscription. We appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, guys, maybe I don't even want to look at US30 anymore because this is just disgusting for me. I can't believe this. Maybe gold was the play. Oh man, we should have stayed with gold. Gold was a beautiful short right here. Okay. Unfortunately, we were looking at those indices at open market, but very nice. Okay. So this was that pattern I showed you guys. Okay. So learn your patterns, guys. M and W patterns. Here was that leg one coming down. Here was leg two, formed a neckline. and then here was the next leg down. So now again, it's gathering some support. It could come back up, and then it could be like a bullish W pattern breakout, okay? Or it could come up to here and then start to come back, okay? And then start breaking down further, okay? Creating lower lows and lower highs. Oh my goodness, look at this thing going. Wow, wow. It's this thing wants to come up to 35,100, okay? On the dailies, guys, usually these indices move 100 pips like on a daily, okay? That's this thing is pumping right now. It's up 0.5%, 160 pips, okay? First bearish candle. Wow, where have you been this bearish candle? Where have you been? You're a little late to the party. Calm down. Okay, so how high did this run get up to? It got up to 35,083. Okay, this thing could go to 100. Okay, so tons of bearish RSI, bearish divergence. Okay, we're seeing it, but sometimes you're just fighting. Okay, higher highs on price up there. From here to here, higher highs. If you look at the RSI, you see it's coming down. Okay, so you do have bearish divergence, but when you're fighting an indice that keeps pumping, sometimes this play bearish divergence doesn't even matter. Okay, so just because you spot it doesn't mean it's always gonna. It's the probability is that it should pull back, but it's not 100% guaranteed. Is what I'm trying to say. We spotted the bearish divergence before. It was the candle I scalped. It was just this candle. Okay, that's where we had it right here. It was coming up, and then we spotted it, but it was a 20 pip pullback, and then they just pumped it right back up. Okay, so this is crazy, guys. But maybe after this afternoon, like around after noon, 12 p.m. Eastern time, that's when maybe the markets will cool off, and then maybe that's where we'll get the nice reversal correction. But as of now, this thing is very bullish. Okay, we need to see just even some consolidation up here before they can push it down. Let's check out Nasdaq. Okay, so Nasdaq similar. Maybe it's going to start to retrace a little bit. Yeah, they just pumped the markets, guys. Okay, so gold is holding below here. Okay, so remember this area. I had this from London, guys. So this was when we traded London. We caught 50 pips coming down. Okay, and then this was New York. Okay, so right here, caught a nice M pattern break right there. We caught that, but then the push up came back down, and now volume is below this area again. So gold may start to push down. Okay, if it can break and get below 1779.77, then it could potentially come down to here, create lower lows and lower highs. But wow, this chart is ridiculous. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go about 20 more minutes. Do you guys have any questions or anything about? And in the upcoming week, guys, we're gonna have Sunday night forecasts. We do five, six, seven tickers, and we look on the daily candlesticks. We do our analysis, technical analysis for the upcoming week. We do it every Sunday night, guys. Um, Yeah, Detrius, you're out. Need to go lay down. Yeah. Maybe you need to take a cold shower after this play, okay? um, yeah, Jeff, if you're done trading for the day, guys, don't get too greedy, guys. Just relax, you know. Like I'm feel like I'm done trading myself. Okay, I've made good amount of money today. I also did the London session. I traded. I did this session. I don't get greedy, guys. I get my daily pips, my daily goal, and when I do that, I'm done. I don't overtrade. I just stay on here for you guys on these streams. Normally, I just trade 60 minutes a day, maybe 90 minutes myself, but I'm not always just going from session to session to session. Um, so I pick a session that I like, where the volatility is there, where I can get in, get my pips, get my profits, and get out and go on with my day. Dante, are we trading cryptos for the weekend? Maybe we'll see how everything goes. Okay, weekends are also family time, guys, because Dave and I go really hard on this. We do a lot of stuff. So, but if we do, I like to scalp cryptos Saturday night. Like when my kids go to sleep, I love a nice Saturday night session. We did XRP, we did Bitcoin, we can scalp Dogecoin, we can scalp Ethereum, all of that. But we do those with like the snipers. But once in a while, we'll maybe have a YouTube scalp session for cryptos on a Saturday night. So just make sure you guys are subscribed and hit your notifications so that you guys will get that when we do that. Okay, while this is just cooling off up here, guys, I'll show you guys if you want to join our sniper mentorship team. Now is the time. Like, get in on a Friday, then you have some content to study for the weekend, and then you can start a fresh week with us. Visit our website www.stocksnipertrading.com. This is our homepage. And then we give for $29.99 a month. It's $1 a day. It's not much. You get good value for $1 a day. You get I'll show you the course content. There's tutorials, courses, webinars we do. We do private scalp sessions. You get trade ideas, recaps of live trading. There's you get to put in the sniper chat room, which is amazing. There's so much knowledge in there with the guys. A lot of guys are asking about FTMO and funding talent challenges. We have guys in all of those challenges, the past, elite accounts, cashing out, so they can help guide new guys with any questions that they have. And this is, guys, if you just want to join our latest blogs. Dave and I, we give out these blogs daily, and they're like recaps of our live trading. Here's a bearish flag double bottom. So we break it down. This was a trade on Dave's call that he took. He took the buy right here on the W breakout. Here he made $665. He shows it step by step, A, B, C, D, breaking it down. So it's a really, really informative blog, guys. We do not spam you guys. It's just the blogs alone. They provide a lot of educational content, and you guys can learn a lot with them. So just scroll down to the bottom of our page right here, and just join the newsletter right here. So join the newsletter, put in your email. We'll start to send you a blog. The list is growing really fast. We're hearing a lot of good feedback about it. Guys are loving it. And then right here, you can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and all those other social platforms. This is when you become a member with us. This is our tutorial. So we start off basics. We teach you what are pips, lots, leverage, spreads, different order types, how to place proper stop losses. We're candlestick traders. We're price action traders. So we break down introduction to a candlestick, the body, the high, low, close, what are wicks, things like that. Teach you about volume. And then we introduce each individual candlestick, the hammer, the shooting star, the bullish engulfing, the pin bar, spinning top, all these candles I'm talking about. There's 23 of them. We break them down. Then we get into the good stuff. Supply and demand, support and resistance, accumulation, distribution, order flow, what the brokers are doing, market makers, things like that. Explaining uptrends, downtrends. We get into chart patterns, triangles. We explain reversal patterns, M and W, head and shoulders. Then we break down all the technical indicators like RSI, MACD, stochastics, Fibonacci, Bollinger Bands, all those things. We provide strategies. Then our webinars. We do 2 to 3 weekly webinars with our crew, and they are recorded and uploaded to the website. So lots of good value, guys, to join the team. And finally, we're getting a nice drop on US30 here, okay? So if you guys like, please join the team, guys, for $1 a day, guys. Less than a coffee a day. This coffee I'm drinking, less than that per day. The knowledge you get, and we can really help you guys learn faster. Your learning curve will help you guys if you guys are in funding talent, prop firm challenges. If you guys don't have the money to fund yourselves, we'll help you pass those. But you got to learn proper trading, risk management. And we also don't just scalp, guys. I'm doing a webinar with the guys probably Monday. I'm going to teach them how to swing trade with hour, 4-hour, and daily candles. Just because we're scalping 5-minute candles, they all have the same characteristics. So we can do 4-hour candles. I used to swing trade 4-hour candles all the time, but I love scalping. But there's other guys that have school, they work, they can't be scalping. So we're going to teach them now how to do top-down analysis and then how to trade 4-hour and daily candles. Okay, so we'll work with whatever your schedule is. We'll teach you guys how to properly trade the markets. And you can apply this to the Forex market. You can apply it to the stock market. I scalp Tesla options on 5-minute candlesticks all the time. I love it. You can get some crazy percentage gains scalping Tesla options on 5-minute candles. Carlos, when do we normally stream? We always stream New York and Tokyo session. So we do Tokyo around 8:30, 9 p.m. Eastern. We do New York session 8 a.m. Eastern time, and then we do bonus London session. So we also add in the mix the bonus London session. So we stream a lot, guys. We stream a lot. 10 to 15 live streams per week on YouTube. So we do a lot, guys. Carlisa, glad I found the stream. I follow you on Instagram. My buddy Brock showed it. Yeah, Brock is killing it. Brock is killing it. Brock is holding right now. I believe he's over like $15,000 on his indices. So Brock is the man, guys. He is absolutely killing it as well. Doug, take it easy, brother. Have a great weekend, Doug. You are the man. But yeah, guys, so let's watch now for this break at 35,000. If we get this nice little break right here, we could see a really nice drop. Okay, guys, so this is US30. Let's take a look at NASDAQ. Did that scale back? Not really. NASDAQ is very strong. So value stocks are very strong in NASDAQ, okay? But they're pulling back tech a little bit, but it's still finding support right at 35,000. Unbelievable, okay? So it's got, see, this is like a daily level, psychological level. When price action comes down, it's not breaking, and now it's coming right back up, okay? So this is holding strong, 35,000. We will get the real breakdown if we can break and close below 35,000, okay? I've been saying that this entire call. Gotta watch 35,000. It's a key psychological level. Iftikhar, no problem, bro. We appreciate you. Thank you for subscribing. Yeah, Erniel, pack it in, bro. That's enough. That's enough. Abdulaziz, $200 on a 0.2 lot. Congrats, bro. That's enough, guys. Pack it in. Don't get greedy, guys. If you start getting greedy in these markets, the markets will humble you real fast. Take your profits, get your pips, and get out and go on with your day and repeat it the next day. But once you start getting greedy, guys, then the market will take care of you. Okay, guys. Is there any other questions you guys have? And then, guys, for if you're new here and you're just getting in, pinned at the top of the chat is our free Telegram group. You can get in here. We post a lot of things in here. These are trades, okay? So this was that US30 pullback I took for 20 pips, $200. This was the gold sell I took, 20 pips, $200. And this was a few members. This was Jeff. This was another sell I took. This was, I believe, London session. And we just show some charts and everything like this. And a lot of good content in here, guys. This was me and Dave back in the day when we started, okay? Creating tutorials, content, guys. The dream is free, the hustle is sold separately. That's our quote, guys. And we got some like Google reviews from some of our members to show you everything in here, guys. But wow, look at the pump back up. This is see how strong this is. We came down bearish to 35,000 and we got a lot of buying momentum, okay? But as long as we don't continue to break up here, it could form a lower high. Believe it or not, it could form a lower high, and we could still get some selling pressure pushing it down. Okay, it takes a while for a real technical breakdown to happen because you're fighting so much momentum, and we're in such a strong area. When RSI is in the 80s, it's very, very strong up there. Okay, so you can understand that the sellers are trying to push it down, but there's so much strength over here that it takes a lot of momentum to push this down. Thank you guys. Thank you for the subscriptions. Mogi Amabar, thank you, bro. Appreciate you. Okay, guys, I think we reached our subscriber goal. Let's take a look. Wow, 1,729 guys. Amazing, amazing. Thank you so much, guys. This is unbelievable. Maybe next week we can break 2,000 subs. This is huge for Dave and I and the Sniper team. Thank you guys so much. We couldn't have done this without you guys. So, end of the week, guys, I got to send some shout outs to you guys. Not just our snipers, but the YouTube followers, the YouTube subscribers. If you guys are getting a lot of value out of this channel, then that drives me and Dave to give you guys more content on YouTube. So, thank you for all the support you guys are giving us. We appreciate you guys. Um, but thanks, guys. So I'm going to wrap it up now, guys. So it was a pleasure trading with you guys this week. We're going to flip flop now. So Dave and I, we switch every 2 weeks. So I'm going to be doing Tokyo sessions and bonus London. And Dave is going to be coming and doing New York with you guys. Okay. So if I don't see you guys, if you guys are trading on New York, you'll be with Dave. I'll be doing Tokyo and bonus London for the next 2 weeks. So guys, I can tell you guys, enjoy your weekends with family and friends. Be safe. God bless all of you guys. Pay it forward, guys. That's our mission that we're doing here. We're paying this forward to you guys. So if this financial education can help you guys out and you guys are learning from this, you guys are making some pips, you guys are making some money on the side, that's the mission. We just want to pay it forward, guys. We want to teach you guys that trading you can do this. You can do this with patience and discipline. So if you guys, and pay it forward. If you guys have friends, share this channel with them and bring them in here and show that if you can do it, they can do it too. And you guys can be part of our journey here growing this YouTube channel. We're looking to get 10,000 subs. Within a year. That's our goal. But 2,000 next week. Let's do it, guys. So everybody, we appreciate you guys. God bless you guys. Enjoy your weekend with family and friends. I'll be back Sunday night doing the daily forecast. If you want, join us Sunday night, and we'll see next week what's happening. We'll break down all of this analysis. US30 markets all-time highs. We'll see where gold is at, and we'll go from there, guys. So everybody take it easy because I'll talk all day here. I've lost my voice this week. You guys can probably hear my voice is pretty raspy because it's just so much streaming we're doing. So much talking, guys. But I need a break too. So you guys need a break too. So take it easy, guys. If you guys are trading the rest of the day, proper risk and account management. Don't over leverage your accounts. And always, guys, in profits, scale out, take your pips, guys. That's why we trade. Reward yourself, okay? Take it easy, guys. Have a great weekend.